Hello friends, myself Pratibha Dange from KKR College Sanduri. Today we are seeing the process of machine learning from the machine learning subject and from the first chapter of the machine learning. Now see, firstly from the diagram you can easily understood what will be the process will be happen in the machine learning. See, firstly data providers give the raw data and that raw data will be selected. Then after the raw data will be selected, then pre-processing will be done on that raw data processing tools. Now after pre-processing, the structured data will be formed, and again pre-processing will be done on the structured data up to where the structure of the data will be particularly get. After getting structured data, then learning algorithms will be applied on the structured data. Now algorithms, learning algorithms, there are different types of algorithms like supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised learning algorithm. These types of algorithms can be applied on the structured data, and after that then candidate model will be get, and after getting candidate model we are deploying to the selected data models. And if that data models will be selected, then golden model, that is application final golden model will be formed. That is the process of machine learning in the machine learning algorithm or machine learning process. Now the next point which we are going, now the next point, now as per the diagram we will see the theory of it. If we go into details of machine learning process, firstly we identify, choose and get the data that we want to work with. For example, we would often need to work with the domain experts in this area, that are people who know a good about fraudulent transactions, of we would work with the people for our actual problem that we all need to solve. These people being experts know that what data or data models that we get from the process is predictive. But since the data with which we start is raw and understood, unstructured, it is never in the correct form as needed for the actual processing. It could have duplicate data or data is that is missing, or else a lot of extra data is in this not needed. The data could be formed from various sources which may also eventually end up even duplicate or redundant data. In this case, there are come the requirement of for pre-processing the data so that the process could understand the data, and good training is that the machine learning products usually provide. Some data pre-processing modules the process of the raw or understructured data. For instance, in capital markets, there is always a need for price prediction for instrumental or equities to assets in the algorithm applied to the huge amount of unstructured data coming from various feed providers. Now, after the data is pre-processed, we get some good structured, and this data is now an input for the machine learning. But in this one time job, of course not. This is the iterative process and it will be continuously done. Now, not only pre-processing tools but also the machine learning products also offers a large number of machine learning algorithms as well. The result of algorithm applied data is model, but now the question is whether this is a final model we need. Now, no, it is candidate model that we got. Candidate model means the first most appropriate model that we get, but still it needs to manage. But do we get only one candidate model? Of course not. Since this is an iterative process, we do not actually know what the best candidate model is. Until we again and again produce several candidate models through the iterative process, we do it until we get the model that is good enough to be deployed. Once the model is deployed, applications start making use of it. There is iteration at small levels and at the largest level also. Now from the diagram you can again see from the raw data processing is done, structured data will be formed, apply learning algorithms on structured data, then candidate model will be formed, then deployed a selected model, and after golden model will be formed. Again repeated process you can done on this machine learning process, and that's about the machine learning process. Thank you very much for mm, thank you very much for understanding.